Pydantic AI's Prepare Tools. Hook provides a runtime mechanism for filtering the list of function tools available to an agent on each step, enabling conditional tool exposure driven by dependency values accessed through RunContext. This pattern lets you register a tool at agent construction time while deferring its availability to a per-step decision, controlled by the deps instance passed at runtime. The following code initializes an agent with a single launchPotato tool registered via the tool data class, sets prepare tools to an async function that inspects ctx.deps and removes that tool by name when the dependency is true, and configures deps type equals bool so the runtime boolean is type safe. Two synchronous runs then demonstrate the divergent behavior. With deps equals false, the tool is present and called, while with deps equals true, the filtered list excludes it and the model completes without tool invocation.
From Pydantic AI import agent, RunContext, tool definition. Def launch potato target, SDR. Return fpotato launched at target. Async def filter out tools by name. ctx, RunContext bool tool defs, list tool definition. List tool definition, none. If ctx.deps. Return tool def for tool def in tool defs if tool def name equals launch potato. Return tool defs. Agent equals agent. Test. Tools equals to launch potato. Prepare tools equals filter out tools by name. Deps type equals bool. Result equals agent run sync disting. Deps equals false. Print result, output. Launch potato launched at a. Result equals agent, run sync disting. Deps equals true. Print result, output. Success no tool calls.
The code uses the Prepare Tools hook to conditionally filter tools at each step based on a Boolean dependency. The filter out tools by name function inspects ctx.deps, and if it is true, it returns a list excluding the launchPotato tool. When deps equals false, the tool is available and gets called, producing launchPotato, potato launched at a. When deps equals true, the tool is filtered out entirely, so the model returns without making any tool calls. This pattern is useful when tool availability should depend on runtime state rather than being statically defined. The trade-off is that the model has no visibility into the filtered tool, so if a run later needs it after deps changes, the agent cannot recover. You lose the ability to conditionally re-enable tools mid-run without starting a new one. In production, this works well for feature flags or permission-based tool gating, though you need to be aware that filtering happens per step and tool choice cannot retroactively include a tool the model never saw. Let's break it down.
From Pydantic AI import agent, RunContext, tool definition.
Imports agent, RunContext, tool and tool definition from Pydantic AI for agent construction, context passing, tool registration, and tool definition.
Def launch potato target, SDR. Return fpotato launched at target.
Defines a function that takes a target string and returns a formatted message with that target interpolated.
Async def filter out tools by name. ctx, RunContext bool tool defs, list tool definition. List tool definition, none.
Declares an async function named filter out tools by name that accepts a run context carrying a Boolean dependency and a list of tool definitions, returning either a filtered list of tool definitions or none.
If ctx.deps. Return tool def for tool def in tool defs if tool def name equals launch potato. Return tool defs.
Filters the available tools by excluding launch potato when dependencies are present, otherwise returns the full tool list unchanged.
Agent equals agent. Test.
creates an agent instance with test as the first argument and assigns it to the variable agent.
Result equals agent, run sync to string. Deps equals false. Print result, output.
Invokes the agent synchronously with the prompt testing, and no dependencies, capturing the result, then prints the agent's output. The Prepare Tools hook ties together run context-driven dependency inspection with per-step tool filtering. You register tools up front via the agent constructor, then at runtime, filter out tools by name reads ctx.deps to decide which tools the model actually sees. The deps type equals bool declaration makes that decision type safe. Two sync runs prove the divergence. With deps equals false, the model sees launch potato and calls it. With deps equals true, it's stripped from the list, and the model finishes without invoking anything. The trade-off is straightforward. Once a tool is filtered out, the model never knows it existed, so you can't re-enable it mid-run. That makes this pattern a clean fit for feature flags or permission gating, where the decision is all or nothing per run, and the model's awareness matches what's actually available.
Deps whisper to prepare tools, and launch potato vanishes. The agent standing with nothing left to call.